Courtroom drama unfolded today as a Buffalo teenager faced a judge in a disturbing case.
The former counselor is charged with the rape of an 11-year-old girl at a YMCA summer camp. News 4's El Waters has an update on the story you saw first on 4. El?
Don and Jackie, prosecutors say the incident happened last July, and 18-year-old Martell Jones was just arrested in April. Jones was in court today for a felony hearing, a routine proceeding that most defendants waive so the case can go to a grand jury. But Jones's attorney asked for his day in court now.
Your Honor,
Martell Jones came ready to face his accuser, a now 12-year-old mother who named Jones as the father of her 2-month-old son and accused him of raping her in a sauna room last July at the Ellicott Maston YMCA. The girl, then 11, was a camper. Jones was a camp counselor. But the prosecution asked for an adjournment, a 1-month delay.
I'd like to have the felony set aside, have it dismissed at this time, because, in fact, I don't think the facts and circumstances support a rape in the third degree.
Defense attorney Michael O'Rourke told Judge David Manns the third-degree rape charges against Jones don't fit for a number of reasons, including the claim he was 18 years old at the time of the incident. O'Rourke says Jones was 17, which can affect the prosecution.
At the time of the incident, her friends and herself and everybody were telling everybody that she was 15 years old.
Judge, I'm going to object at this point.
All I can say is that if you look at this 11-year-old child, she looks like an 11-year-old child.
Attorney John Elmore is suing the YMCA on behalf of the 12-year-old mother and her family. As a former prosecutor, Elmore says forcing a young victim like his client to testify in open court before it even goes to a grand jury would be traumatic, humiliating, and unnecessarily cruel.
Normally, the rape victim testifies in front of a secret grand jury proceeding and not in front of cameras and not in front of a public audience.
Martell Jones was fired shortly after the incident occurred last July and had nothing to say as he left court surrounded by family. Judge Manns adjourned the case for a month until June 28th and released Jones without setting bail. If a grand jury doesn't indict Jones by then, he could get the hearing complete with testimony he's asking for. Al Waters, News 4 at 5:30.